Medici. He's a good player. Not getting super easy pairings here. Okay, we're gonna get ourselves a Spaniard. Yeah, normally people play... I think people go bishop c2 here, just to prevent knight a5, but then again, if you didn't intend to do that regardless, then what am I talking about? Yeah, knight e7. That's what people play these days. And it's quite reasonable. Yeah, knight f1. AB. I think this might have been inaccurate from my opponent. And because he hasn't gone h6 yet, then I get this, and well, that's not the end of the world. At least I get to force the structure, because his bishop is hanging if he moves the knight. So that must be something, mustn't it? Okay, g3, take away this square. Oh boy, I was about to do... maybe that's fine, actually. Bishop c4, I got queen e3. And that takes away that... Maybe this is not bad for black at all. I'm hoping that he takes, and then I can bring the knight around here. With knight e7. Also some b4 options. I have my moments, but truth be told, I'm still terrible at drawing arrows, as you guys can see. I don't want to allow anything. Okay. b1 maybe? Just protecting this part, but don't know what I'm doing. Yeah, that's a good move. Knight d2, attack. This pawn, and then knight f1. Yeah. b8 and queen d1. If he takes this, I have queen a1. Does he have c3? Queen b5 or something. Because bc, there's bishop c4. Gotta do this. But it feels like I'm mainly just reacting to his moves here. Don't have a ton of ideas on my own. Maybe he was fine from the beginning here, actually. Okay. Queen a4 if I want to be safe. Knight e3 maybe? Not sure if bringing the rook to d2 is feasible. I just miss every move. Yeah, that was the plan of putting the bishop on a7. He wanted to prepare. Oh boy. I still got some at least practical chances. Oh, maybe that's a good move. Queen c3. I should be rounding up that pawn. Doesn't have a clear idea for the moment, I think. d1, rook c8. This I had actually anticipated. Queen d. Yeah, so this takes rook a2, rook g3. It leads to a position where he's a pawn up, and I have absolutely no winning chances. So that's not acceptable. But may not have too much of a choice. Queen d3. Let's try that. Okay, he just gives up the pawn. I'm not by any means better here, but at least the game continues. Yeah, okay. But the game does continue. b7. Does it though? I'm not sure. 4 takes. I don't see a ton of ideas here. But I have to try and win. Keep some life in my tournament. Okay, I think we gotta go forward. This may be a bit of a threat. Rook f3. That is surprising. Knight f3. It's annoying. Rook g6. There's knight h4. If I go here, there's knight d2. Let's see what else to do though. Now this, at least I can take on f6. And I keep some practical chances. Knight e4, knight e4, rook e7, and I try and flag. Oh, this is... The weather forecast is 10 degrees with a serious danger of getting flagged. Okay, and e5. Okay, now win the pawn. And I should win the game. Well, he just resigned immediately.